Welcome back, everyone. I'm Soul. I'm an energy healer, and here we combine inner work and outer work so that we can show up as the best versions of ourselves. Please subscribe so we can benefit from our weekly energy healing sessions. And pardon my hair this week. I just got out of the shower, and it was one of those you know, um, epiphanies, like best thoughts while in the shower, and just I had to get it out. So the first place we're going to go to is we're going to do a cell repair. We're going to the limbic brain, the corpus callosum, which helps the left and right sides of our brains communicate. And we're just going to pause here and practice doing nothing. Okay. Second one we're going to go to is the stomach. We're going to go to the stomach lining, the serosa, which lubricates, protects, and attaches organs to the body, in this case, the stomach. And then that is linking to our brow chakra or a third eye. And then from there, we're going within that chakra to the crown and solar plexus. All right, and then we're going to tap over our energy centers, tapping over the head, heart, and gut. Okay, so then we're going to go to, all right, so we're going to other modalities. So just a few moments ago, we practiced doing nothing, and here we're going to other modalities. So again, I practice body talk energy healing, and so what I enjoy about body talk energy healing is that it is inclusive, and so we get to include other modalities here. And here we get to use today emotional resolution. It's very funny. So lately I've been really angry, and to help resolve the anger, the only thing that's really been working is emotional resolution. And the key to the emotional resolution technique is doing nothing. Um, so we'll do it together here. Bring into focus the highlighted emotion, whatever emotion is bubbling up for you. And then we don't want to dwell on it too much. What we're going to do is we're going to find different parts in the body of where that emotion is. No more than 3 places. For me, it's in my arms right now. It's kind of like if I got like immunization in like both of my arms. And then we're going to do nothing for 90 seconds or until that tension lifts from those areas of the body. Let me see, is my phone? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put a timer on. I don't know how long it's been, but I put an hour and 30 minutes on the clock. So sorry. Okay, so if you still feel any tension, which is definitely possible in the first go, um, just go do something else, come back, and try it over. Start with 60 seconds. Still can't hold out at 60 seconds. Start at 10, and then go from there. In today's world, we have long forgotten how to do nothing. Our emotions, our bodies are very confused about these ancient techniques, and our bodies are kind of like, "Are you sure? Are you ready?" Um, and so to you know give us uh, each other time. So again, that technique is um, letting the emotion come into focus, finding it in the body, giving it time and space, um, 60 to 90 seconds, and waiting for the tension in those parts of the body to relieve. Um, all right, and then we're gonna go to another spot here. We're gonna go to active memory. We're going to go to a belief sy- belief sy- ooh, belief belief sim- belief system around our body image. And when we have a uh, a belief system, we're looking for a statement. It's different than a it's different than an affirmation. So when we're working with a statement like this, we're trying to release the energetic charge and rebalance that energetic charge. So again, it's an active memory. So it's a memory that has this really strong hold on us, that we want to rebalance and to get us more comfortable with it. So that statement is, I'm comfortable with how I am perceived. I am comfortable with how I am perceived. And we want to keep saying that until we can say it in a calm, relaxed, yet confident state. So I am comfortable with how I am perceived. Okay. All right. So now that has passed, little attempt of an explanation on the statement, because what the imagery that came to mind was Andy Warhol, right? And so Andy Warhol, his Campbell soup can paintings, um, right? They're quite silly, and sometimes they appear to be, mundane or one-dimensional. And my biggest fear one of my biggest fears in being online is being one-dimensional, or becoming pigeonholed into one thing. Um, but this was a great reminder that at the end of the day, it's art, and it's impossible for it to be one dimensional. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. We'll go to, we're going to general environment, particular activity, has to do with meeting ourselves, self-appointments, holding self accountable. Okay, so like when we set aside time to do something, we have to do it, right? Um, so these meetings that we have, these time slots that we have for ourselves, they have to be important. They have to be just as important, if not more important, than um, than meetings that we have with other people. Um, the idea that comes to mind is like, when we're on an airplane and then they tell us to put the mask on ourselves first. Same thing with these time slots or these meetings that we have for ourselves. Um, they have to come first. And that's linking to the heart, right chamber, inner lining. I think that's called I think the inner lining is called the endocardium. Cardium meaning heart, endo meaning inside. Yep. And then we're just going to tap over the heart for that one. Got one more. All right, so we're going to lymph. So we've got lymph nodes all throughout the body, and like Lymph nodes, if you don't know, they have the fabulous job of being the waste or sewage system of the body. We've got them all throughout the body. And we're going for the lymph nodes, we're going to the ones in and around our abdomen, particularly on the right side. And it's being accompanied by the emotion. Bored, yet content. Hold on, let me find a feelings chart or a better definition. There's a particular word for what I'm looking for. Listless, lacking energy or enthusiasm. Yeah, which sounds about right. Because if we're talking about, if we're talking about this area of the body, right, the abdomen, it's like if you want to do something with gusto, right, this area of the body is also supposedly the life force energy, right, across several cultures, right, this is where our solar plexus is, from traditional Chinese medicine. This is one of the Tandian, and then from Japan, Hara, life force energy. I'm sure that it's seen and heard from other cultures. I've done like an internet rabbit hole. If 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 anyone knows like life force energy from like the stomach area, from other than the ones that I mentioned, please let me know. I'd like to know. I've been researching. Let me see if there's more. No. Okay, so that ends today's session. Oh, it was long today. Lots of doing nothing. But I promise that nothing is something. If you enjoyed today's session, please like and share with someone who you think will benefit over the next couple of days. If you notice any changes within your body, within your environment, do come back and let us know. And I will see you next week.